Folks, Dr. Tech here. Welcome back. I'm going to do a video on the XPS 9500 keyboard. Just my opinion on it. Hope you like my review on the keyboard. I'm going to compare it with my MacBook 12-inch laptop. And my W520 workstation, which is, as you see, is really old. It's about 10 years old now, but it's still a beast. Okay, so on the new XPS keyboard, the keys are really good. I think it's absolutely amazing. I think the travel is very nice, and it's soft and rubbery. There's a response coming back. It springs back to life when you press it. It's a nice feeling when you touch it back. It's just not like you're getting a shock coming back in your hands, like a shock absorber, a car going over a bump. It's a nice feeling. If I compare it to the butterfly keyboard on the MacBook 12-inch, this is a lower key travel, much lower. I can still type on this, very good. It's nice as well. Some people don't like it. Some people love it. Obviously, as long as I can type on it, it's great, and it works perfectly. Okay, and the 520 keyboard is, as you can see, there's more travel distance, and it's not as rubbery. It's more of a just a key fit, I think. The more you type on that, I think it's gonna hurt your fingers more during the day, or you're gonna get it's going to strengthen up your fingers indeed using it. Let's quit that. So I did some typing tests. I got 46 words per minute on the XPS, 48 words per minute on the MacBook 12-inch, and on the W520, which is my daily driver, I've got 49 words per minute. So which one is the best for the use? I think the XPS, because it's softer to your hands. It's a lovely keyboard, smooth, soft to touch. It's got this nice velvet feel. It feels premium. It feels really good. Yeah, it's I think it's one of the best keyboards. I haven't tried the new Lenovo keyboards yet, but hopefully one day we'll do, because back in the old days, it's just a great keyboard, the Lenovo keyboard. I still use it. Back in the old days, I used to use the big old typewriters. That's how. That's telling my age now. And this butterfly keyboard is not bad. I mean, it's for a small laptop. It's great. The size of it. So. Yeah, that's my review on it. I got my little daughter Rosie who wants to say something on the video, and also which is this video, let her get involved. What do you think, Rosie? Which one is your best keyboard? Which one did you like? You tried all three?
I tried.
4 or 5 years old kid, guys.
I want to try them all. Let's see.
Okay.
This one is hard, so I don't need to choose that one. This one's very good, but little times hard, middle. And this one is quite good.
Okay, good. So if I was going to rate this, let's see, out of 5, I'll give the Dell XPS.
I give it 10.
Out of 5, Rosie. I'll give the XPS. Well, it's going to be a high score, 4.5, I reckon. It's nearly perfect. Well, this one is here. I will give it 4 or 3, around 4. I've been using it. Well, it's
12.
okay, and I will give this one. It's not bad as well, so I'll give this a 4 too. I do think this keyboard is faster to type on. If I was going to do it all day, this one would get slower. If I was going to do it all day, but I got the slowest speeds on this XPS, and I think if I was going to use this all day, my typing speed would go rapid on this. I only get 40 words per minute, so it's not fantastic. 40 to 50 words a minute. But if I was going to use which computer all day, definitely the XPS. But I'm returning this because of the trackpad problem. Unfortunately, if they could get the trackpad right, it'd be the perfect laptop. Okay, alright, cheers. Take it easy. Bye.